Hello, this is Mari Lane from the Buying Space Channel. I have a huge box in front of me. This is a monthly order from Stephanie Groves that I didn't know I hadn't opened. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open. First thing I'm going to do is take the label off of it. There we go. Label will be gone. Out of the way. Out of thought. Out of mind. And here we go. This is August and I'm unboxing this. Or is it September? It's September.
Yeah.
But this box is from an order that I did during the time that I was grieving for my mother. And it didn't arrive before she passed away. And I've got a stack of boxes that I hadn't unboxed because, well, it was a difficult time. So I'm going to go ahead and get this completely unsealed. Let me move this scissors down there so they're not popping off the top. I may have no choice but to put this down in the floor and unbox it that way. I kind of like to show, you know, what's inside, but I have all this glass over here. Okay. Marty's standing over here like they're worried. Okay. You worried, Marty?
A little.
Okay. Let me see if I can show the top of it. Here, look, see all the bubble wrap is in place. Okay, let me go ahead and turn it back. And I'm going to have to take that box you just put on the porch.
Yeah.
We can put some of this in there.
Yeah.
All this shipping paper.
Yeah.
We got somebody on the way. Actually, somebody is driving all the way from Georgia to pick up my little boxes. The guy messaged me and he said, my wife really wants this stuff. I'm like, okay. That's got something in it. It's not this paper. So that's why I put it there. Okay, more paper. I'm just handing it off to Marty. There's going to be more paper as this stuff comes out. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the floor right here because I'm not going to have room. Okay.
Let me get it.
Okay, thank you, Marty.
Oh,
wow.
And I'll get this out.
Nice gift box. Oh, she sent us channel sticker. I got a channel sticker. I have multiple channel stickers here. My goodness. Okay. Wow, look at this. Purple tube.
Purple tube. Incense
Sticks.
Incense includes 10 incense sticks and 1 holder. Lavender.
Yeah, we'd have to do that on the porch.
But, yeah. Nice.
Wow. I don't know what this is at all. Oh, yeah, I do. Oh, yeah, I do. I want to say, oh my goodness. I can't believe all this stuff. You want to put that in the box outside?
Yeah. What is...
I don't know if I'm going to have room. Yeah, I'm going to have to put some of this back to show what it is. It's kind of crazy how much stuff is in here. Okay. I don't know what month this was from that I ordered all this. I think it was March, maybe May.
I just realized I still have that frankincense and myrrh incense somewhere.
Yeah, we still have that.
So,
That'd be good to have during the holidays.
yeah, and we've got a hot folder somewhere in here.
Oh, look at this fancy water bottle. Isn't that great?
Ew.
Evolve. Yes, we should all evolve. And this is new with tags. So put this in the kitchen next to the other water bottles.
Okay.
It's on the stove.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, and here we have, oh my gosh. This is the cheese holder.
Cheese holder?
Yeah, let me show you. Velveeta cheese blocks.
Ah. I guess it would also work with other block cheese that's...
I guess you could put it, I mean, you could use it with the lid down like a butter dish, or you could put the lid on top. You put it this way or this way.
Yeah.
Put that in the door of the fridge. We're going to use that almost immediately. Okay. Let's see what's in this pretty envelope. Oh, let's look at what I just tossed to the side first. Oh, look at these little bags.
What are they?
They're little bags.
I'm just...
Oh, what kind of material are they? That's a good point. You want a feel of it to see if it makes you itch?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Do you want one of them for a dice bag?
I don't know what the...
Okay. All right.
But I just...
Yeah, this was from last spring. I'm just now getting into it.
What are those?
This is something silly. This is like a little bee.
Oh. Oh, that's adorable.
Yeah. Bzzz. Okay. The hand went out for that one.
Yeah. Little 3D printed guy.
Yeah. And he just cute.
Yeah. Cute.
I don't know what month this was, but it was the month that I won all the channel stickers. And she kept saying, like, oh, Myra's got the record on channel stickers. And to this point, I'd only had one, so I was like, okay. Ooh. Oh, my goodness. This probably is going to be something I'd give away in the Fall Fest giveaway. Look at this. It looks like, kind of like a turkey, doesn't it? Oh, it's a sunflower. Look how cute that is.
Yeah, it's a sunflower.
And it's got bees on it.
Bee, bee, bee.
Oh, it's got the button thing like the ones that we have already. How cool.
Yeah. I'm just going to be playing around with this little guy.
Okay. You having fun with the bee?
Yeah, little fidget bee.
Okay, let's see what we have in here. Oh, it's a bell. It's a blue bell. And she stuffed the middle of it, or whoever did her shipping for her stuffed the middle of it. And it's got its little ding-a-ling. Yay, it's got its ding-a-ling. So happy. All right, let's see what is over here. This is probably going to be more than one video because there is so much stuff in this box. All right. This seems like it's some kind of dish. Oh, I've had one of these before. I've had a bigger one, but it was cracked. And I actually got another one of these from Angela Isaac. I think this came from her grandmother's farm. Now, there was a big one on the wall that I wanted, but I don't think her grandmother was ready to part with it yet. I don't know if it was ever sold or, you know, who it was sold to if it was. So I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off this gift box. It's loose washi tape. Oh, it's pretty. Oh. Look at this little lip heart tin. And it's got little lips in it. I know who exactly I was going to send this to. Wow. I missed the boat on the timeline for a celebration for that person, but sure they'll still appreciate it when they get it. Now here we have this little pin. It's got double attachments or double pins on the back because it's longer. It reminds me of the Japanese wave. I don't know if y'all are familiar with that. Oh, wow. More sunflower stuff. Oh, this looks like a wind chime almost. Let me see. Yeah, with a bumblebee, like a little door hanger. Oh, that is so cute. Let me get it to turn around this way. That is lovely.